Now in this section we will be talking about how to loading images to Python system, and the libraries we will be using are SciPy, OpenCV, Python Imaging Library, NumPy, and one of the Keras function, which is image data generator, so that we will be easily implementing we will be easily loading our data to Python system to work with deep learning. Now the case is for OpenCV, and I think that first we will need to talk about, as we talked at the first slides. First of all, we should choose the state-of-art architecture for our problem. So we are trying to classify images from cats to dogs, so we need to classify cats and dogs, and this is actually classification, only classification, so that we can choose state-of-art method of classification problem. So now you have two warnings set here. First of all, we should firstly identify our convolutional network model and for our problem, and we should load images for prediction with the same method of loading the images for training. We will then talk about it. But the model that I want to work on is ResNet 50. Since we talked the advantages of choosing pre-trained models in deep learning frameworks, is this is crucial for transfer learning and fine-tuning, and we have weights to get a good results. And also we will be using ready-to-use codes, and I'm not running away from writing codes. I'm just giving lectures for practical convolutional network course. So this is not running away from the code. This is actually for practice or increasing our practical knowledge. So that I want to work on ResNet 50. This is for classification problem, and this model was in the competition of ImageNet. So then we need to identify the input size or image size for the ResNet 50 model, and we see that it is 224 to 224. So we will be applying it to our convolutional network model. Sorry, on our dataset, we will be applying convolutional network, which is ResNet 50, to our cats and dog dataset.